Hi everyone. So we have a good question from the chapter of quadratic equations, where we have to find the real root of the particular equation which has been given, that is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. And the thing which has been given to us is that x square plus x plus 1 is a factor of this particular cubic equation, right? Now, when we have got a quadratic equation, which is a factor of a cubic equation, we know that the factors of this quadratic equation will also be the factor of this cubic equation, right? Like, for example, if x square plus 2x plus 1 is a factor of, say, gx, then x equal to minus 1 comma minus 1 will also be a factor of gx, right? So we will be using this particular principle for this particular question. Okay, so let's find the roots of x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, this is a very familiar equation to us. Okay, because the roots of this is basically equal to omega and omega square. Okay, it's not very difficult to prove why it is omega and omega square. You can do it for yourselves. Okay, so now it has been told to us that ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0 has got the factors omega and omega square, right? And we need one more factor. Let that factor be equal to, say, a1. Okay, so we will now apply the property of cubic equation, that is the value of product of the roots and the value of sum of roots, and we'll see which one will give the answer. So first let me try the product of roots. Now this one will be equal to minus d by a, right? The product of roots of a cubic equation will be equal to minus d by a for a cubic equation, right? Now this is omega cube, right? Which is equal to minus d by a, and omega cube, the value of omega cube is 1. Okay, so the value of a1 will be equal to minus d by a. Okay, that is the answer for you, because as you can see, we have been asked to find the real root. So option A is correct. Now, another way of doing this sum could have been, you could have used the property of sum, right? A plus omega square equal to something. Okay, and omega plus omega square is equal to minus 1. And you would have got the answer, but not in this particular format. You have to check the options as well before you make that decision, whether you have to use the property of sum or the property of product. That's it from this video. Thank you.